Last year, Charters Pond Club, just a collective of students from Charters School, decided to join the fight against climate change by joining in with some vital research into the effect of climate change on aquatic ecosystems. At the Silwood Park campus, there were 96 experimental ponds, all were ready to be heated up and tested at different environments. But what exactly were we testing for? With the world heating up at unprecedented rates, we wanted to investigate what effect this would have on us. We are not just talking about the known problems, for example coral bleaching, rising sea levels and species extinction. We wanted to know more.
But at present I'm trying to understand the gene to ecosystem consequences of biological systems of climate change in natural systems and experimental systems as well. So we use a range of approaches. These range from mathematical models in silico through to laboratory experiments and then finally through to natural experiments in the real world. So the Mesocosm experiment forms part of this Natural Environment Research Council large grant that we have, which is focused on these gene to ecosystem impacts of climate change.
So today we're at the Silwood Park campus of Imperial College London and we're sampling some of the invertebrates in our ponds. So for example, today we looked at a bloodworm under a microscope just to have a closer look. And we've actually also noticed we have pond skaters and Daphne in our ponds.
So this is a tripod that we built in order to picture each of the ponds.